Hi. Are you feeling a little bit shell-shocked by all of the events that are swirling around us right now? The last year has brought such an amazing array of changes to our way of life and to our ways of thinking and to the things we typically took for granted. And sometimes that has put many off balance so much that you or friends of yours or family of yours may be in need of a happiness tune-up. I'm Leah Kraft-Kristaine, and I've been teaching happiness skills and emotional intelligence and communication skills for a long time. It all started with my pulling myself up out of the deepest depression I had ever been in. I have been teaching around the world these principles of emotional intelligence. Happiness is a joy in itself. Learning how to get back to feeling good are the skills that I teach, but I also teach the skills of why we should be doing that in the first place. Happiness affects our health. It affects the friendships we have. It affects what happens in our life. It even affects how much money we earn. It's an extremely important aspect of our personalities to cultivate. In fact, Aristotle said that happiness was the goal of all living. And that might not have felt that way to you, just as it didn't to me when I was growing up, when it was a rather difficult task to just keep moving. There are skills that can cause wonderful changes within you in a very, very short period of time. And as you keep practicing each of these skills and repeat it day after day and learn more new skills and practice those skills, you actually change. You change your brain patterns. You change a pattern in your brain that helps you to stay resilient, to hold on to those good feelings, even when they're challenged by upsets out there in the world and upsets in your own home, all kinds of things that can happen inside and out. When we practice these things and we lift ourselves up so that our low lows are not so low anymore and our high highs are higher than they've ever been before, when we do those things, something else magical happens. It's hard to describe if you haven't experienced this, but things in your life that are good, things that you want, things that you've asked for in your heart and in your mind, begin to be drawn to you or seem like they happen to you quickly and easily. They seem random. Other people would say to you, "You are the luckiest person I've ever met." It all happens because you have decided that it's your right and that it's time to learn to take hold and grow your happiness. There are many people who have learned this skill, and they are among the happiest people on earth because they know that the happier we are, the more we're radiating positive energy, the more energy it gives our bodies physically, the more we're able to focus our minds and have clarity and have good feelings, the better our lives become around us. If we are determined to be happy no matter what, somehow the external no matter what's start getting better. But first, we have to control what we can, and it starts with us controlling those things within us that help us to feel better. And it's in your control. And I would like to share with you a program that I have developed over the last couple of decades. It's called the Happiness Tune-Up. It's a 30-day program that delivers to you through email the choice and the ability to watch a quick video on a particular topic each day. Get a chapter from my book, 30 Days to Happiness, Setting Yourself Up to Win in Life, which took me to the Oprah show. Or listen to an audio of a chapter. Or download and print out the pages of the workbook chapter and work with it, or do all of the above. And you can keep them forever, and you can share them with friends. If you know someone who needs a program like this, if you need this program, I want to tell you that I am offering this program right now with Atlanta Unity North Church in January 2021. I'm offering this program to you at half price off until it was going to be January 15th. I've changed it to January 17th, Sunday at midnight, January 17th, to sign up for this program at half price. It's the most important thing you can do. It's the most important thing you can learn, and then it's the most important thing you can teach. So I welcome you to go to the church's website or go to lifecraft.com/unity at my website and sign in. And on top of all of that, I am going to work with you personally live online via Zoom. So I hope that you'll join me for this quest for additional happiness. If you are happy now, add to it. Grow your strength to attract what you want in your life. I thank you for joining me. Please look up other things I've done, such as my YouTube channel, Life Crafting with Leah KK. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you.